What's up, everybody? It's your girl KturaKay, and I'm here with another video. So today I am going to be doing a video on the Maybelline. Yes, the Maybelline products. They're new. They have new shades in their concealers and in their foundation. So let me show y'all what I'm talking about. The Instant Age Rewind, and these are their concealers. I actually got their darker shades that they just came out with. It took me so long to find these shades, but I finally found them, and I got 142, 144, 146, and 148. And new Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. And I am going to be using two colors. Of course, I always have to mix my foundations. It's just always been something, except for the Rihanna. I can kind of get away with that just because of the fact that most of her shades are dead on. NARS also, like NARS, I rarely have to mix unless my skin color changes. But yeah, so I'm mixing two of these. This one is in the color 334 in Warm Sun, and the other color that I'm mixing it with is in 355 in the Coconut. So I'm mixing these two, and if you like how my foundation looks now, stay tuned just to see how I did my face. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know if you tried this or you're trying to try this. And if you have tried it, let me know what you think. If the shades work for you, you know. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button also, because I have a huge giveaway coming up. I literally keep just adding stuff to my giveaway, adding stuff. So it's going to be massive, you guys. You don't want to miss it. So hit that bell to be notified when I post new videos. And without further ado, let's get started. So that is color 46. It's a little light, but I like to go in first with a darker color. So that's the 46. I'm going to add a little bit of the 48 because I probably should have put on the 48 first, because it looks like it probably will be my exact skin tone. So yeah, this color is a little more red, which I like because I like to go in and kind of color correct with a more redder, deeper tone. And then I go in with the color that's closer to my skin tone as far as doing the concealing part. See that? Actually, I like using both now that I'm looking at it. Actually looks good with both. So I use 146 and 148, and I'm going to blend it out. And this is the Real Techniques brush, so I'm going to be blending it out with this just to see. Y'all know I love a beauty blender, but I'm trying to step outside of my comfort zone. And my skin is peeling here because I got that chemical peel. And my skin is still supposed to peel for like the next 7 days. Because I think they said a total of 14. So today I can actually go back to my daily routine. My daily skincare routine. Before, I was just using like mild products. I like this brush. So yeah, I'm actually loving that concealer. I'm loving it. To highlight, I'm going to be using number 142. And I don't know what shade they stopped at, but I have to look it up. But I wish they had like a one that was really dark so I could contour with it. I think that would be a nice texture to contour with. I'm really loving these, honestly. I want to know how much product is in it so I can know like when it's about to run out. But hopefully it looks like it'll hold or last for a good while. So that's good. They do have names instead of just 144, but they're at the numbers are at the top, so it's always a little bit easier just to look at the number rather than looking at the name that's like at the bottom of the pack. Blending everything out with my beauty blender. Just using that brush, I mean the brush is good, but I would use it mainly for foundation. Y'all know I love to use my beauty blenders for my concealers and to contour, blend out my contour. So yeah, thank you. So thank you all so much for watching. This is the final look, and I did not set my concealer, I did not set my foundation or anything like that. So y'all do the math. I have been wearing it for about an hour now, and let me give myself a good little look to see if it has crease. Not much. I see a little bit of like lines under my eyes, but it's not much. I always like to set my concealer anyways, but I didn't do it this time just to see how the concealer and the foundation holds up. And it actually looks nice and flawless, and I really like the finish, and it is full coverage. I did mix the two, but I dab as y'all can see and blended everything out, and it's looking good, girl. So thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every last one of you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.